How to identify an item as PPE? If you incur an expense and you incur it to purchase any tangible item, now a tangible item is an item which can be felt by touch. So if you incur the expenditure to purchase a tangible item and you expect to get some benefit out of it for more than 1 year, then this item will be recognized as a PPE. So this is not going to apply for any expenditure where the benefits will last for less than 1 year. So PPE is any item that can be used in the production, or it can be used for supplying goods and services, or it can also be used for rental to others. An item has to essentially satisfy the following criteria in order to be recognized as PPE. So both these criteria are to be compulsorily satisfied in order to be recognized as a PPE. The first criteria is that there must exist a probability that the future economic benefits associated with the item will flow to the entity. The economic benefit stated here can be in any form, and it need not necessarily be in the form of cash. For example, an office laptop does not necessarily produce any cash benefits, but it is used by the organization or the entity to carry out its day-to-day operations, which is essential to produce a product, to sell them, and to generate revenue out of them. So it helps in generating the cash indirectly. So an office laptop can be recognized as a PPE because it helps generate future economic benefits indirectly. The second criteria is that the item should be able to be measured reliably. That is, if you could express the item in monetary terms, then it is said to be measurable. So a PPE should be able to be expressed in monetary terms. After identifying the PPE, the next immediate step would be to determine what are the expenditures that goes into making the PPE, which expenses are to be considered and which of them are not to be taken. The asset cost. We'll look at this in detail in our next video.